Hey everyone, it's Freely. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the classic battery grip from custombatterygrips.com. So yep, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the box it came inside of. Pretty simple. It was originally in a bubble mailer, but I quickly took it out of there. Alright, cool. It's in some bubble wrap. And then I don't know how to take off this rubber wrap. Alright, there you go. Alright, here it is. There's one piece, the battery. Alright. So it looks like it came with the grip itself along with the dummy battery. Let's just take it out there. So yeah, it looks pretty much the same as the other grip. There's also the battery tray in here. Let me take it off. So it looks like, I'm not sure if this is new, but this is not how the battery door is on the other one. And if you just slide that out, don't want to break it. Alright, so here's the battery tray. Looking good as always. And yeah, and that's pretty much everything that comes with the classic grip. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of assembly of this and see how easy it is, because it looks like you're not gonna need any tools to set this one up. So let's just grab my M50. We're gonna place it right on there, and this little dial is what we have to turn to get it on there. It's kind of weird because that dial is like really deep in there, so I have to just like that. Alright, so this is there's a little bit of wiggle to it, maybe. Small little bit of wiggle, but I think that's okay for now. But I don't have extra batteries at the moment. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have put the dummy battery in first. Anyway, so let's just do it right now. Dummy battery, let's throw it inside there like so. Close it up. We have this right here. Slide that in, and the door just goes in just like that. So yeah, this is the classic battery grip. Pretty simple, pretty easy to set up. Let me just plug that in. No, not right now. But yeah, classic battery grip, super easy to set up. It does have a little bit of wiggle to it. I don't know if you can see that, but that was so much easier than the extended battery grip. So there you have it. This is the classic battery grip from custombatterygrips.com, and from my first impressions of it, I really like it. So the simple setup and the simple design of this grip for first impressions makes me really like this one compared to the extended grip. Although in this version you do lose that little hot shoe that you had on this area of the grip. But other than that, setup and simplicity of this grip is really good. The only downside I see so far would be this little tiny wheel that you use to turn and to basically mount it onto this grip. It's kind of like really deep in there. Like for me to turn it, I can't just straight up just turn it like this. I kind of have to use a little bit of the nail and the tip of my finger to really spin that little wheel that they have inside there. But other than that, I really like this grip so far. And you notice it kind of has a little bit of wiggle. I just need to tighten it a little bit more. Once again, it has that tripod mount screw thingy here at the bottom, and yeah, it's pretty much almost the same as the extended grip, minus the hot shoe and the need to use tools to set this up. So that was my unboxing and setup of the classic battery grip. Honestly, I thought this was gonna take a little bit longer. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned to the channel for more reviews of this classic battery grip. I cannot wait to start using it. Although with the whole stay-at-home thing, it may take a while to get a good review about this, but I'm gonna do what I can by staying inside. Everyone look forward to that. Maybe I'll make a comparison between the extended grip and the classic grip. But other than that, stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more videos about this grip and anything about cameras and backpacks. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.